Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. The basics of one-day liver detox diet. The importance of liver detoxification cannot be overemphasized over time. But there are still a lot of people who shun the idea of liver detoxification. A lot of times, it is because people get turned off by the idea of keeping up with a program that lasts for days and days. Thus, the reason for the creation of the one-day liver detox diet. But before you do start the one-day liver detox diet, there are certain steps you should take as well. A week before you are scheduled to start the one-day liver detox diet, you should avoid substances that can disrupt the detox process. These foods include refined carbohydrates, alcohol, caffeine, nicotine, and even drugs you can get over the counter. Also, you should take in liver-friendly substances for the week. These substances include cabbage, broccoli, lemons, garlic, onion, beets, celery, carrots, apples, berries, and pears. Water should be an essential part of your 7-day diet as well. But be sure that your body is properly cleanses before you take on the one-day liver detox diet. This is to ensure that you get the optimum benefits of the whole process. When your body is now ready for your one-day liver detox diet, then you can now move on to the next stage. Upon waking up on this important day, you should consume 1 cup of fluid at the top of every hour, starting from that very hour that you woke up. For the whole day, on alternating hours, you should also drink a cup of miracle juice. The components of miracle juice are cranberry water, ground ginger, orange juice, cinnamon, nutmeg, lemon juice, and stevia. The juice components should be freshly squeezed, not the processed kind. At the beginning and the end of the day, you should also take in food that is good for the colon. These include carrots, berries, apples, or pears. All throughout the day, you should not exert much effort in any kind of strenuous or physical activities. If there be any need for physical activity, then give it 30 minutes at the most. The one-day liver detox diet does not give you that much nutrients to boost your energy levels. So, it's best to stay away from strenuous activities during this one-day liver detox diet. After this day, go back to that diet that you had when you were still preparing your body for the one-day liver detox diet. The diet you took for that 7 days should be reinstated for another 3 days. This way, the benefits of the one-day liver detox diet will be maximized. If you've liked the video, give it a thumb up, leave a comment and share with your friends. We thank you so much for watching. For more nutrition, health and beauty tips, please subscribe to our channel.